So this photo is a picture of a copper mineral. It's known as chalcopyrite and it's a beautiful blue color. And the work that I do looks at leaching or extracting metal from rocks like these. So taking out the copper to make copper wire so that these can then end up in things like your devices. So how do we extract the metal from the rock? And we use a process that's known as leaching. So I describe leaching or dissolving a bit like making a cup of tea. If you imagine that you have a tea bag, and that's the rock, and inside the tea bag you've got metals, the tea leaves. When you put the tea bag in a hot cup of water, you leach out or dissolve out the color, the flavor, the aroma. And it's the same way that we use to extract metal from rock, to do leaching. Now, many of you might have seen the super pit in Kalgoorlie, the really big hole in the ground for gold extraction. This is a similar picture, but it's much bigger. This is in America, and it's a copper open pit. It's about 4.5 kilometers wide, over 1 kilometer deep. And what really stunned me was that if this open pit were considered a stadium, it could seat 9 million people. So that's equivalent to about 150 Optus stadiums in Perth. It's a really, really big hole. So what we're trying to do is look at an alternative to these conventional ways of doing mining. And we call it keyhole mining.